Hi guys, welcome to the second video of Runner's Battle Studio. So this time I got real Bakugan and one. Let's see who we got. I got my sisters. Okay, I already opened it, so still have a bubble wrapping, so I'll just use my scissors to open it. Alright, let's see what kind of Bakugans we got. Oh, we got this one. Oh, we got this one. We got this one. And we got this guy. And this one. And right, let's open them. Let's open them up. Let's see. Wonder, let's see activation. Here. Oh, no function. Cool. Let's see the next one. Whoa. Whoa. Wait. Try to close it up. Here.
Battle door.
Alright, next. So, see you next time on another video of Learner's Battle Studio.